going to teach English grammar. In English grammar, I have chosen topic tense. Tense. Tense is nothing but which tells about time. Time is nothing but past, present, and future. In tense, there are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. In present tense, there are four types of tenses: simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In past tense, there are four types of past tenses are there: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. In future, there are four types of tenses: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. Now I'm going to tell structure about these all tenses.
These.
Tense, past, present, and future. Now I'm going to tell structure about present tense. Structures about simple present tense. Subject plus V1 plus simple. Subject plus V1 plus S or ES or IES plus object. Let's take an example. He goes to college. He is the subject and go V1 form ES. I have added ES plus ES. According to structure, the word is formed goes to college. To college is the object. And present continuous tense. Structure: subject plus is or am or are plus V4 plus object. He is going to college. He is the subject. Is here according to the structure we have added is going. V4 verb plus inform. To college is the object. In present perfect tense, subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Subject: he has gone V3 to college. Object: present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has or have plus been plus V4 plus object. Here he is the subject. Has is according to the structure we have added as and been. Going V4 plus verb plus inform. To college is the object. Now past tense. Simple past tense. Structure: simple past tense. Subject plus V2 plus object. He is the subject. Went, go. The V2 form of go is went. To college, object. Went, work, he, subject. Past continuous tense. Subject plus was or verb plus V4 plus object. He was going to college. He, subject, was going, V4 form. To college is the object. Past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. He had gone to college. He had V3 gone to college is the object. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had plus been plus V4 plus object. He is the subject, had been going V4 to college is the object. Now future perfect, future tense. Simple future. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. He will go to school. Future continuous tense. Subject: he will or shall plus be plus V4 plus object. He will be going to college. He will going V4 form to college is the object. Future perfect tense. He will have gone to college. He is the subject. Will or shall. Will we have taken have gone V3 to college is the object. Future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus V4 plus object. He will have been going to college. He is the subject. Will he have taken have plus been going to college. Here going is the V4 form and to college is here object is a to college. Thank you. Tomorrow I'm going to give exercise about these all tenses. Thank you guys. Goodbye.